ICT Raj Solutions. As usual, subscribe, share, and like. Make sure you click on that bell so that you can always get notifications whenever the video is uploaded. Comment, yeah, subscribe, and share to other people so that they can also gain in these lectures. So today we are going to see how do I freeze. Let's say I don't want someone to tamper with my rows, so I can freeze them, whereby when I freeze them, you cannot be able to change anything. So we are going to see how do I change this row to protection mode, whereby no one can change anything. So we are continuing from the last previous work we had. If you are following, we need now to come and highlight. We highlight all the places we want, all the rows we want to. The first thing is to highlight all the rows, because as it is already in a protection mode, though it is not activated. So we have to first remove that protection mode. After removing that protection mode, then we choose the one we want to put protection mode to. Unless if we want to make the whole of the table protected so that no one can edit anything in it, we have to leave it like that. Then we put a protection mode. So after highlighting now, we are going to first remove that protection mode which is there. Then we right click, format cell. Then on format cell, there is this protection. Then you make sure you untick. You make sure you untick this rock thing. Then after unticking the rock thing, then we press OK. It means our rows are not protected anymore. Now, here I will highlight the cells I want to protect. Now, after highlighting the cells I want to protect, I will again right click, then I go to format cells, and I go back at my protection, I tick lock. Then I press OK. Remember, I want to lock only this, whereby in the other field someone can even change. Then after locking, then I go to protection. Then in protection, I'll press my password 123. Repeat password 123. Then I press OK. So layer means that here you cannot edit now no more after protecting it. Then this one, since that I have not protected it, you can edit. But this one which I have protected can't be edited anymore. So that's how we protect ourselves. Thank you for listening. Subscribe, share, and like our channel. As we promise that we shall always give you all it takes with IT. Thank you very much.